Find the square of minus 4 over 5. Solution. Minus 4 over 5. Now, we have to find the square of minus 4 over 5. So, in this case, we can write this in two places. Minus 4 over 5 times minus 4 over 5. Now, minus times minus, what is that? Plus. Take note. And from the rules of multiplying two fractions together, numerator of the first fraction will multiply numerator of second fraction. Denominator of first fraction rather, we also multiply denominator of second fraction also. Take note. Now, 4 times 4, what do we have? 16. Why? That's for numerator. Why for denominator? 5 times 5, what do we have? That is 25. So it's the same thing as writing 16 divided by 25. So that is the answer to the question.